Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Chocolate Unboxing. Today we have the Osternest or Easter Basket Assortment Box from Milka, just in time for Easter. And as you can see on the photo, this is what we are supposed to be getting. So let's go. Ooh, what do we have here? We have the mini chocolate bar with the Easter bunny on it. Look, so cute. And then we have Toblerone, the dark chocolate version. And then the white chocolate one. And it's this. I don't know what's this called, but it looks like it's from Milka still, and it's wrapped like candy. And then Oreo. Milkinis. And I guess this is pronounced as dime. It's like a Swedish chocolate. I guess that's all there is. The box looks cute too. It has like spring or Easter themed flowers on it. Cute. Alright, thanks for watching. That's all. Goodbye.